we've been keeping temperatures mainly in the 80s for the past couple of days. Yesterday we had 83 degrees in Portland, and it was a nice afternoon, mostly sunny skies. So we are just about normal for this time of the year, seeing very seasonal weather there and up and down the valley in the 80s. Out towards the coast yesterday, we were in the upper 60s to about the low 70s. So right now in Portland, cloudy skies and all around the region, even at Stoller Winery, we are starting off with clouds this morning. Temperatures mainly in the upper 50s to low 60s. Out towards the gorge, also some passing clouds over the river. It's beautiful out there. Lincoln City getting a couple breaks in those skies, even some patches of sun there, but we're still starting off mainly cloudy, and we'll keep it that way through the afternoon. Temperatures in the 50s. Something we do want to watch is all that smoke that we are seeing from the Milepost 97 fire. It's just north of Canyonville, and that's pushing smoke all the way down towards Grants Pass and Medford, Oregon there in the southern region of the state. So we do have an air quality alert in place through Thursday at 5 p.m. Notice how up in Roseburg, we're still seeing air quality in the good category in the greens, and that's because winds are pushing the smoke from the north down south towards Northern California too. So lots of areas in the Rogue Valley seeing poor air quality out there, and we'll keep that in place through much of this week. We do see a change in our upper level winds, and that's what drives that smoke. So going into Thursday night, we may see some winds from the southwest ushering smoke up the valley towards Eugene. So we'll be tracking that as we finish out our week. Right now, we will keep smoke mainly in the southern portion of the state here. We're seeing good air quality right now in Portland, and we'll keep it that way. But going into Thursday night, possibly some smoke up the valley towards Eugene and maybe even into Portland too. The good news is that we may see some rain paired with that change in the wind. So we are watching out for an unusual event here. We could see another atmospheric river setup, and that will bring some hefty rain totals to certain portions of the west coast. And much of that will stay up north, likely up in Washington. The coast of Oregon could see some heavy rain. Portland may see a light drizzle. Models are very inconsistent, but notice that tropical plume of moisture that works our way once again heading into Friday. So timing wise, this model brings that rain inland here overnight Thursday into our Friday morning. Rain totals are very inconsistent between models. Some are showing very light totals, maybe a few hundredths of an inch of rain here in Portland, heavier out towards the coast, and some models are putting closer to a quarter of an inch of rain in Portland. So we'll be tracking that as we head towards Friday, but the rain will help to wash out any smoke that is in the region. So hopefully we do get some rain paired with any smoke that comes in to help clean us out here. We're also dry by the weekend, and we turn to more sunshine and hot temperatures heading into Sunday. So very short-lived rainy event if we get one there on Friday. So looking at today, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s in the valley today, still warm, low 80s here in Portland, and we should see mostly sunny skies as we finish out the afternoon. Quick check of our 7-day forecast. Temperatures stay in the 80s, very seasonal all week, but Friday we'll watch out for a chance for some morning showers. Ken, back to you.